Welcome. If you want to change vibration settings in your LG K42, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next move to the sound. And as you can see, here we can find ring with vibration. We can activate it by tapping on the switcher. And when we scroll down, we can also change vibration haptic. And there we get the two vibration options on the smartphone, so this one and also this one, and you can easily adjust them by tapping on the switchers and enter right here and changing one of the options. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.